Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel and thank you for stopping by today for another tutorial. You are all highly welcome and I appreciate you all for all your comments, your likes and your encouragement. I do appreciate everybody. If this is your first time of stopping by my channel and you haven't already subscribed, please subscribe and hit the notification bell so you'll be notified every time I upload new video. In today's tutorial, I'll be showing you how to make a 6 pieces dress with a long train. This is an off-shoulder 6 pieces dress with a long train. I'll show you the quick and easy way to make this beautiful dress. So let's get started. Okay, for the upper portion of the dress, I am using the off-shoulder princess that's bustier pattern which I have on my channel to cut out the upper portion of this dress, as you can see here. So the total length of the dress is 63 inches and the upper portion is 18 inches, while the bottom part will be 45 inches. So I have used the pattern to cut out on my fabric as well as the lining. So now I have a tutorial on how to draft the off-shoulder princess data bustier on my channel, and I will leave the link in the description box below so that you guys can watch it if you don't already know how to. So I've done a series of tutorial on off-shoulder princess that bustier with different styles. I'll be sure to include all that so you guys can watch it. Okay, so once I cut them out, what I did is I went ahead and joined the front together, and I also joined the lining pieces. Once I finished that, I iron it and iron the seam open as well. So this is the back and this is the front with the lining. I will join the lining piece together to the main fabric. And I have the right sides facing each other. I will join from the side to the armhole, to the neckline, and down again to the sides, and leave a little opening in order to turn it out. And now for the back piece only have a dot, the waist dot on the back, and you can also cut it the same way as the front if you wish. So I joined the dots as well as the dots for the lining, and I will join it also from the zipper area up to the neckline area to the armhole and down, and leave a little opening to turn it out. Okay, now I'm going to work on the bottom part. The bottom piece is a 6 pieces skirt. So first thing that you're going to do is get your basic skirt pattern and extend it to be long, because the 6 pieces is going to be long. And then the next thing is to draw the line for the nipple to nipple line. Mine is 8 inches. I divide that into 2, it gives me 4 inches plus ½ inch for joining together. And then on the waistline, I took out ½ inch on both sides for my dot, and then I'm going to extend the dots as so. And now on the knee line, if you want yours to be tapered and flare out, you can take out ½ inch for the dot. So you're going to take out 0.25 inches on both sides of the knee on the nipple to nipple line, just like I'm showing you right here. And after that, I'm going to go ahead and cut this out. So the method of cutting out a 6 pieces skirt that I'm showing you is very easy. Just pay close attention what I'm doing. First, you start with your basic skirt, and now once you take out your dots, you go ahead and cut it out just like I'm showing you here. So once you cut it out, you will have 3 pieces. As you can see here, I have 2 side pieces, and now this will be the center front. So this is the front, how it's looking like so far, but we are not done. Just pay close attention And then I will get another pattern paper, and I'll place the center front on that pattern paper. So I will place the center front on another pattern paper so that I can extend the hemline in order for it to flare out. So on the bottom of the hemline, I'm going to add about 5 inches, but you can add up to 8 or 10 inches depending on how flared out you want yours to be and how much fabric you're working with. So I'm adding the 5 inches extension on both sides. Once I finish that, from the knee line, I draw a slanting line to meet that 5 inches, as you can see here. And now from the end of the hemline, I'm going to go up by 1 inch, and then I'll draw a curve. I'll do the same for the other side, and I'll draw a curve. This is so that the sides will not have a sharp edge when you cut it out. So once I finish, this is what the center front looks like. And I'm going to go ahead and cut this out. So guys, this is the quickest and easy way to draft a 6 pieces skirt. Okay. There are other methods, as you can see on YouTube. There's so many other methods to do. Okay, so now this is the new center front, and now I'm going to do the same for the side pieces. I will add the 5 inches extension again on the side. Okay, so I'm going to extend again by 5 inches. Like I said earlier, you can add more depending on how full and flared out you want yours to be. So now I'm connecting the from the knee line to the 5 inches extension, and then I'm going to go up by 1 inch again, and then I'll connect them in a curved line so the sides will not have a sharp edge. And then I'm going to go ahead and trace out the rest of the pattern. Okay, so once I finish tracing it out, this is what it looks like, and I'm going to go ahead and cut it out. Okay, so once you cut it out, so this is what the front skirt will look like. Okay, so I am showing you guys how to do this on this pattern paper because my fabric is very long. It wasn't able to fit on the whole camera when I was drafting and cutting it out on my fabric. All right, so these are the 3 front pieces, the center and 2 side fronts. And now for the back, you start again with the basic skirt with the darts, just like I did for the front. But the only difference is the zipper allowance for the back. I have a 2 inches zipper allowance. All right, so but the darts and everything is pretty much the same thing like the front. So once you cut it out, you're going to have this again, 2 side backs and 1 center and then the center front actually is going to be 2 pieces. So the back is going to have 4 pieces after they've been cut out. Okay, so now for the side pieces for the back, is pretty much the same thing as the one for the back, for the front, sorry. All right, so it's nothing different, as you can see. So that's exactly, I'm going to use that front to cut out the back again. Okay, like I was telling you, the side backs are the same with the side fronts. And now for the center back, remember it has a zipper allowance in the middle. And now I place it on another pattern paper, and I will add again the 5 inches extension on both sides, as you can see. Then from the knee line, I will connect the line to the 5 inches extension. Now on the zipper side, come down again from the 5 inches you marked earlier, and come down again by another 5 inches. So this is where the train will be. Remember, the back have a longer train. So I connected the lines like this. So the train will be in the middle where the zipper is. So after that, I went ahead and trace out the rest of the pattern. As you can see, the middle has an extra 5 inches for the train. So after tracing it out, this is what you have, and I'm going to cut this out. I'll be cutting 2 pieces of this out. So like I said, the back will have 4 pieces just like this. So these are the 2 side pieces, and then the center front has 2. So once you join it up to the knee area, and the rest will be the zipper allowance. Okay, so this is how you cut out the 6 pieces skirt portion of this dress. And that's exactly what I did on my fabric, and I used the same method to cut that out on my fabric. So after cutting it out of my fabric, I joined them together. I joined the front pieces together, and then I joined the back pieces together as well. So this is the back piece. As you can see, you have 4 pieces, and then the long train in the middle. And now this is the front. I pinned them together, the side to the center front, and I'm going to go ahead and sew it with my machine. I'll do the same for the back. So once I finish, I will go ahead and attach the upper bodice to the skirt. So this is the dress. After I've joined everything together, I joined the back and the front together, and I also attached the main bodice, as you can see right here. And basically that's it for this dress, and it's pretty easy to do. And this is it on my mannequin after I finished. So guys, if this tutorial has been helpful, please give a thumbs up, like, share, and subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to come back again next week for another tutorial. Bye for now.